Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox SJCam SJ6 Legend. I purchased this from Amazon. They have delivered this to me in 2 days. So let's begin. ओके आप देख सकते हैं कैमरा निकल गया है बॉक्स में से और पैकिंग वाज ओके, नॉट वेरी गुड। तो चलिए कैमरा को बाहर निकाल लेते हैं एंड देखते हैं। ये है हमारा SJCam SJ6 Legend। आप देख सकते हैं ये वाटरप्रूफ हाउसिंग है इसकी। कैमरा को रख देते हैं साइड में, देखते हैं बॉक्स में और क्या क्या है। ओके, तो इसमें मिल जाती हैं बहुत सारी माउंटिंग्स, फ्रेम, 3M tapes, and I think this is touch panel. Instruction manual and some stickers and cleaning cloth, some more mounts, charging cable and a lens cover. This is really important. चलिए इन कर देते हैं साइड में। तो दोस्तों ये सब मिलता है SJCam के बॉक्स में। लेंस कवर, कैमरा विद वाटरप्रूफ केसिंग, फ्रेम, ट्राइपॉड माउंट, स्टिकर्स, टच स्क्रीन पैनल, चार्जिंग केबल, 3M tapes, some more mounts, bicycle mount, and these are which you can stick on the helmet and then place your camera over there. So let's talk about the camera. Let me open up the waterproof housing, take out the camera. Okay, so this is our camera. It comes with dual screen. This main screen is a touch screen and it has a 3-axis gyro and it can shoot up to 4K videos, 24 FPS, and this looks good. The plastic is really good. This is a tripod stand and here you can insert the memory card. This is a USB charging point and this is a power button and where we can put the battery. Okay, this is the battery slot. Okay, here's the battery. This is a 1000 mAh battery. It can last up to what I heard is around 2 hours on 1080 60 frames. I'll put it inside. I've also ordered a memory card for this. It can support up to 128 GB, but I've ordered a 64 GB SanDisk card from Amazon. I'm waiting for the delivery. So it's not charged yet. I will charge it, and in my next video I'll show you some clips. Thank you guys, and I've ordered this for 10,000 rupees from Amazon. I'll give you the Best Buy link in the description. Thank you. This is the audio test without any external mic. So as you can see, the camera quality is good. I'm recording at 180-60 frames per second with inbuilt mic, no external mic. Let's see how's the audio output.